These tsunamis were so powerful, they didn't just destroy cities. They reshaped geography forever. Today, we'll uncover the most terrifying tsunamis in history. Disasters so shocking that they changed the way humanity looks at the oceans. But before watching this full video, just like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's start. A tsunami isn't a regular wave. While normal waves are caused by winds on the ocean's surface, tsunamis are born deep beneath the sea, triggered by massive undersea earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, or landslides. In the open ocean, a tsunami might appear just a meter high, but as it approaches shallow coastal waters, it grows into a monstrous wall of water, sometimes taller than a 10-story building. Now imagine this wall moving toward you at 500 to 800 kilometers per hour, the speed of a jet aircraft. That's the terrifying reality of a tsunami. The 26th of December 2004, just one day after Christmas, joy turned into horror. A 9.1 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Sumatra, Indonesia, one of the strongest quakes in recorded history. The energy released was equal to 23,000 Hiroshima atomic bombs. The result? A massive tsunami that tore across the Indian Ocean. Entire villages disappeared. In Banda Aceh, Indonesia, 60% of the city was wiped away in hours. Sri Lanka, India, Thailand, all faced devastation. The waves even reached as far as East Africa. The death toll? Over 230,000 lives lost. Families celebrating Christmas one day, gone the next morning. It was one of the deadliest natural disasters in modern history. The 11th of March 2011, Japan, a nation prepared for earthquakes, but nothing could prepare it for what was coming. A 9.0 magnitude earthquake struck off the coast of Tohoku. Soon after, tsunami waves up to 40 meters high came crashing down. Entire neighborhoods, airports, and highways vanished underwater. Thousands of lives were lost and millions were displaced. But the disaster didn't end there. The tsunami flooded the Fukushima nuclear power plant, causing reactor meltdowns and radiation leaks, turning a natural disaster into a nuclear catastrophe. This event shook the entire world, showing how even the most advanced countries are vulnerable when nature strikes. The 5th of November, 1755, Lisbon, Portugal. On All Saints' Day, thousands were gathered in churches when an 8.5 magnitude earthquake struck. Buildings collapsed instantly, but the terror didn't stop there. Massive tsunami waves swept the coastal areas, destroying palaces, markets, and religious centers. Around 50,000 people were killed. This disaster wasn't just physical. It shook Europe's philosophy and faith. Many began questioning religion, asking, how could such destruction happen on a holy day? Thinkers like Voltaire used this event to challenge blind faith, sparking debates that shaped modern European thought. In August 1883, the Krakatoa volcano in Indonesia erupted with unimaginable force. The explosion was so loud it was heard 4,800 kilometers away. When parts of the volcano collapsed into the sea, they triggered tsunami waves up to 40 meters high. Over 36,000 people were killed. The eruption darkened skies across the globe, sunsets turned blood red, and global temperatures dropped for years. It wasn't just a regional disaster. It was a global event that reminded humanity of nature's far-reaching power. In 1958, Lituya Bay, Alaska. A massive landslide plunged into the fjord, displacing millions of tons of water. The result was the tallest tsunami ever recorded, 524 meters high. That's taller than the Empire State Building. Fortunately, the area was sparsely populated. Only a few fishing boats were caught in the chaos. Had this happened near a major city, the destruction would have been unimaginable. Chile, 1960. The strongest earthquake ever recorded, magnitude 9.5, created a tsunami that killed thousands and traveled across the Pacific, hitting Hawaii and Japan. Hawaii, 1946. An 8.6 quake in Alaska triggered a tsunami that killed 160 people in Hawaii. Papua New Guinea, 1998. A smaller quake caused an undersea landslide, creating a tsunami that killed more than 2,200 people within minutes. Today, many countries have installed advanced tsunami warning systems. Satellites track sea level changes, and coastal regions practice evacuation drills. Japan has invested billions in seawalls and emergency infrastructure. But here's the truth. No system is foolproof. Many parts of the world still lack proper warning networks, and nature always finds ways to surprise us. The real lesson is humility. Despite all our progress, we remain fragile guests on this planet. When the Earth decides to move, humanity has no choice but to step aside. These were the most terrifying tsunamis in history. Disasters that erased entire cities and changed the course of civilizations. Which one shocked you the most? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful stories about natural disasters that shaped our world.